Fire in the hole, let's cook a pizza. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got for you today is I've got a pizza dough that I got at the grocery store. And I'm just going to work it around a little bit. It already comes made like this. It's already round and everything. And I got some corn flour on my, corn meal on my board to make it easier to work with. And I'm just gonna press it around like that a little bit, just to make it kind of a lip, you know, a kind of a crust on the edge. See what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna do with that. I'm just gonna put that like that. This is a double-decker pizza. I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil and just brush it around the edge there, so that'll make the second layer of pizza stick to it, I hope, better, because we got to seal up a second piece of pizza. It won't hurt it to get any on the inside either. It's no big deal. Okay, so we got some olive oil on there, and I've pushed it up around a little bit. And what we're going to do now is put a layer of meat on this pizza. We're going to start with some bacon that I cooked up, some cooked bacon. Now I got Aaron's attention, right? You like bacon, right, Aaron? That's your name, isn't it? Bacon. So this bacon has been cooked a little bit. It's not fully cooked, it's mostly cooked. Mostly cooked bacon. We're going to put a layer of that right there. Got some nice pieces of bacon right there, boy. Let me tell you what. Okay. So that's one meat. Now let's put another meat on the bottom layer. We got some pepperoni. So we'll take some pepperoni and make a layer of pepperoni. And I know you're busy people, you don't have time to watch this, so I'll fast forward this, okay? Stay tuned. Alright, that concludes the meat portion of our pizza. Before I forget, I got the idea for this from a fellow named Crouton Cracker Jacks. And he's a cool dude. His name's Jason. And he's a really nice guy. He's got an awesome YouTube channel. I'll put in the description. I'll put Jason's channel, because he's a very successful YouTuber. And he doesn't really need me to shout him out. So I'm just going to put a link down there if you want to watch his videos. I think you should. So anyway, we're going to do next is some mozzarella cheese on top of that. On top of that pepperoni layer. So we've got bacon and pepperoni so far, and some mozzarella. Don't want to skimp on the mozzarella, but at the same time we don't want to put too much, because you have to remember that we've got another layer of pizza coming on top of this one. So I think that's enough mozzarella for the bottom layer of the pizza. Next thing we're going to do is get another pizza. So I got a whole other pizza that I'm going to put on top of that pizza. I'm going to unroll that like that, get it out like that, and then I'm going to try to pinch the edges together, because this sucker's a double-decker, baby. And we're going to make a little well here with my fingers so that the sauce and the stuff will have a place to go. But yeah, we're making a double-decker pizza today. Let me tell you what. Okay, so far we've got the meat portion of our pizza. So what's next? We really need to like pinch this up a little bit and make it, you know, so it'll be like a crust. So that's what I really got to do next. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Pinch that up like that to make a kind of a edge, you know, because we're going to be putting some sauce on here, and we're going to be putting some veggies on there, and we want that pinched up. There you go. Hey, it's really starting to look like something now, isn't it? How am I doing, Jason? Am I getting it right? I hope he's watching. I doubt that he is. Crouton Cracker Jacks, you don't have time for me. Anyway, okay. The next thing we got to do is cut some holes in the top layer of the pizza. And I thought I had my knife out here, but I guess I didn't. Anyway, we got to break some holes in there so that the pizza sauce can escape down into the bottom layer. So I'm just going to take my fingers and cut some holes in there like that. Cut one in the middle. Cut about, let's say six holes. And the reason we're doing that is when this thing starts to cook, it's going to release steam, and we don't want that thing to explode. See what I'm saying? So I hope I got enough holes in it. I think I do. I've got 6, 7 holes in that thing, and they go all the way through to the meat layer. So now I'm going to hit it with the sauce, and I've got some fresh sauce that I made right out the can. I'm going to whack that with some sauce. Don't that look good? Oh yeah, it's looking like a pizza now, isn't it? Wait till this is done. You're going to be flabbergasted. So let me get that sauce on there. Spread it out to the edges. Still going to have an edge of crust right there, which is cool, which is just fine. I think I want a little bit more sauce than that, don't you? Just a skosh more sauce, because I like it. I like the sauce. Okay, there's the sauce. Sauce is on there. Got the holes cut in the top layer. Now we're going to throw some veggies on there. Now I know the green bastard's not going to like this, but I got some mushrooms, of course, sliced mushrooms. It's one of my favorite things to have on a pizza. Mushroom pizza. You got to love it. Aren't they beautiful? Just a little fungus among us, GB. That's all. No big deal. A little fungus among us. Let's get this mushrooms on there. So we've got 2 meats already and 1 veggie, the mushrooms, because I love mushrooms. GB don't like them. I don't care. He wouldn't care if I said I didn't like whatever it is he's cooking. He don't care. All right, is that enough mushrooms? We need more. Couple more. Couple more mushrooms on there. And what goes with mushrooms? Onion, I think. Onion goes with mushrooms. So we got some red onion. I'm going to put some red onion on top of that. You can't go without red onion, I think. You got to have red onion. Okay, so just going to throw some red onion on top. I'm not going to make you, I guess I should make you watch the whole thing. It's not going to take that long. Just bear with me while I throw some onion on there, because we like onion and mushrooms on our pizza. So what we've actually got is 2 pizzas in one pizza. We've got a meat pizza on the bottom and a veggie pizza on top. And I think I'm gonna throw some anchovies on there, but I can't tell my old lady about it until after the video comes out. Then she won't say anything because she won't know. But I'll put them on there where nobody's looking. Okay, so we got some onions on there. And then we got some more cheese, of course. What else? Some more mozzarella cheese on top of that. And that sauce is going to work its way down, I hope, to the bottom layer. We're going to cover the top of it mozzarella. We've got onion, mushroom, pepperoni, and bacon pizza. And we're going to cook the whole thing on the grill. You'll see. It's going to be awesome. Okay, let me get my pizza stone up to temperature. I'll get my pizza peel over here. We'll get that on the grill and I'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned. Alright, my pizza stone's coming up to temperature. Got the pizza on the grill. Going to shut the cover and cook them till the dough gets crispy. You know what I'm saying. Till the cheese gets all melty and the dough gets crispy. And then we'll slide them off there and we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer. My pizza's done. This is Organic Hop Cuvée Session IPA. This is from the Bison Brewing Company. What do you think about that, Dan? Bison Brewing Company is radiates like California sunshine. Where's this made? 4.5 ABV. I don't know where the Bison Brewing Company is. I'm sure it says it on here somewhere, but I can't read tiny little letters on here. Oh, Bison Brewing, San Jose, California. Okay, that might be near where CJ lives. Anyway, yeah, Bison, see the cap? Bison Brewing Company. And this is their Hop Cuvée, a sessionable IPA. Let's find out. That's the perfect thing to have with pizza, in my opinion. IPA. In fact, I like IPA any day. India Pale Ale, you can't beat it. Can you? Hop Cuvée from the Bison Brewing Company. Let's take a sniff of that, Lasso. What do you think, baby? Let's sniff the froth. Yeah, it smells great. Smells like an IPA should. You can detect the taste of grapefruit and pine. Let's quaff the froth off it, Lasso. What do you think? It's very good. Very good. It's got a very little alcohol, 4.5%. Organic Hop Cuvée Session IPA from the Bison Brewing Company. Let's get some pizza over here and take a taste. Stay tuned. Okay, maybe you noticed that I got a little bit of anchovies on here for myself. Because I like anchovies, I'm going to cut that piece out for myself right there. Cut that open. See what that looks like on the inside. I'm sure it's going to look awesome. My pizza cutter on there. Cut that baby up. Yes, sir. I think I got it loose. Let's find out. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Dropped it. Damn. All right. Let's get it back. Let's salvage this mess. Okay, let's get it back over here. Look at that melty cheese. Can you see that? Don't that look good? Now, you know what? That's what you call a man-sized pizza, because look at that thing. I can hardly pick it up. I don't know how I'm going to eat it. I guess I'll have to cut off a piece and eat it with a fork, because there ain't no picking that up. I can tell you that right now. Let me cut off a piece, get a fork over here, get some of that in my mouth. Oh man. Oh yeah, how's that look? Not too shabby, huh? Let me take a taste of that. That's delicious. Thank you, Crouton Cracker Jacks, for the cool idea to make a double-decker pizza. Go down in the description, check out Crouton Cracker Jacks. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video to find out who won the Root Boy Rub from last week. And you know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up and see this channel whose name I memorized. It's called, yeah, it's in my memory. It's called, it's two letters, like, not CJ, not DT, GT, that's it, GT Barbecue. I got it right. Yo, I got it right. GT Barbecue. Go see GT Barbecue. He's a new guy. He needs subscriptions. He needs views. Go watch his channel. But subscribe to me, the Root Boy Cooks. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And this pizza, this double-decker pizza, is awesome. I love it. Jason, thanks for the idea. We'll see y'all next week. Bye.